Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings application and then navigate all the way down to System, which would look like this. From here you want to select Reset Options and then Erase All Data Factory Reset. It will present you with an info letting you know that performing such a thing would remove all the data that is stored on a device, which is listed right here. Most importantly, the things that will be removed are things like music, photos, and user data. If you keep anything on the device that you don't want to actually delete, make a backup copy of it before you progress any further. Next, once you've done so, or maybe you just don't want to back it up, you can select Erase All Data. And in my case, it won't work because my battery is below 30%. So make sure that your battery is charged above 30%, and it will then allow you to go to the next page where you just get to select Erase All Data once more, with the possible chance of needing to confirm your screen lock if you have one set on the device. In my case, I can't progress any further, but just basically press the button twice there and the device will begin factory resetting itself, and that process will take about a minute to finish up. Once it's completed, you will then be presented with the setup screen for your tablet. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.